half of our Water of Life video. I want to also start off by saying thank you to everyone that watched and also subscribed after watching that video. We really appreciate it. We love you so much. Thank you. We went on a big apothecary hunt this morning for all of these herbs, and I thought we would talk a little bit about that while we tried our Water of Life. And we've actually already poured our little shots.
So we let this steep for...
It's actually been a week. So originally it was 2 to 3 days, but we let it steep a week, and it actually didn't get quite as dark as I thought it was going to. It's still just lovely though, and I love it sitting on my kitchen counter.
And it's very pretty, and it smells really good.
It's very earthy and nutty. So I have some tea poured for just a bit of a chaser, because this is vodka, so it is going to have a bit of a kick to it. Are we going to try to take this on our own and only use it if we need it, or
yeah,
I always need a chaser when
I'll try it by itself, and then if I need it, I'll scream and
okay.
Chaser.
All right. Here we go. Water of Life.
Water of Life.
Ooh.
Oh, I don't like vodka, but it's really good. Hold on. Okay, there it goes. It's smooth now. It definitely tastes like bread.
It's got that bread. It's got such a nutty flavor. It's
like that pumpernickel bread.
It has got that vodka kick behind it. I mean, vodka always, unless you're like sipping on Grey Goose, vodka's got that kick to it.
Dun, 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 dun,
I feel like we have such a mixture of, I don't even know what you would call it.
Themes. By the way, play Jedi Fallen Order. Awesome game. I just beat it. If you're a Star Wars fan, you have to play it. It was the best Christmas gift I could have ever got. What I wanted to say is I feel like what we're actually tasting more of anything, even though you can taste a hint of dill in there. There is dill.
I think we're tasting the fennel and the caraway seeds more than anything. We did, if you remember, toasted those up before we put them in here. I really think that's what's giving that good nutty flavor. But if you like really savory flavors, really try this.
It was fun.
And we'll link our other video below where we actually made this. But this morning, the little adventure that we took, we went to every single grocery store in our area to find all of these different spices, and there actually is one that we still have to acquire that we haven't yet, and it's actually Grains of Paradise.
Grains of Paradise.
We searched all over in our area and could not find it. Walmart is supposed to have it, but I think they were just sold out. So I'm gonna have to do a little bit of hunting this next week. We were going to make a really cool like spice tutorial video for you guys today from the Elder Scrolls cookbook again. So a lot of the recipes in the book that I want to make and that we've picked out actually call for one of 3 spices that are actually the first things in the cookbook you can make. It actually starts with Nord spices. We have Stormcloak seasonings and Imperial seasonings. So, of course, 2 of these 3 seasoning recipes calls for the Grains of Paradise that we just could not find. Yeah. So we're gonna wait to film. I am
actually making it. Yeah. So.
Yeah, I might seem a little off. I feel very defeated over this. I was really pumped. I really wanted to make the seasonings today, but
well, we'll get it, and I'll list the description of what we got and how much it costs. But for example, we got some dill weed. We got some ground cloves.
Some of them are exciting and some of them are just kind of boring.
Ground mustard. Ground mace.
I actually wanted to smell that. Yeah, so if anyone can answer this question, when I think of mace, I think of like shh, like mace. Is that what mace is? Is mace a spice and they use it to like make mace? Like what?
Be careful when you open it. Don't.
What is mace? Well, of course it has the seal on it. You might have to open that.
Alright, so yeah, it's got some kind of...
Ooh, be careful.
Oh, it's on my fingers. Alright, I can smell this.
Ooh. That smells great, but you know what? I feel it in my sinuses, and this might... I might sound like a complete idiot when I say that mace is mace, but is it? Does anyone know? I feel it like opening my sinuses. I think
I'm sure it's got a ton of other stuff in it.
But that was an interesting one, I thought.
And this one I'm totally gonna mess up. Marjoram?
I think it's marjoram.
Marjoram.
I'm not entirely for sure. I was actually asking my mother about this, and she told me that this was a spice or an herb that my great-grandmother used all the time. So I found that very interesting. I thought that was really, really cool.
And then we got, I can't even say
it's the savory.
The savory. And then we also got
coriander
seeds and cardamom.
Ground cardamom.
Cardamom.
And then white pepper.
And white pepper, which I didn't know existed. All pepper usually.
He's like, is white pepper white? And I'm like, oh yeah.
But it's cool. It's like a pepper seed. So
we actually did find a smaller ground version that was a little bit cheaper, but then we found this that you grind up yourself, and it was actually a little more cost efficient. So keep that in mind if you're out and about looking for stuff like this.
So this week we're gonna look for the grains of paradise. And next weekend we'll make our 3 spices so we can actually start cooking some of the other recipes.
And I do want to apologize. I was so hyped to do this, but we'll get to it.
Well, we've got to go on another adventure or quest.
True.
We've got another quest that we've got to go on to find the grounds of paradise. We will find them.
If anyone knows an easy, just off the top of your head, please tell us. But I feel like we were out for 2 hours this morning looking for it.
That was our adventures with the cookbook, but you've got a box that you wanted to show everybody.
So we got another box from Influenster, and I'm actually going to move some of this stuff out of the way. So we got a box from Influenster. So this box actually contains hair care products by Kristen S. I hope I'm pronouncing your last name right. I love the color of this box too. So what we got this time, some curl shampoo, some curl conditioner, and some curl leave-in cream. And this is, I love the packaging on this. Shampoo, conditioner, and the leave-in cream. So not only do I love the color of this packaging, the way this packaging feels, it's easy to get out, and it just, I don't even know, it's just it's very appealing.
Looks like a ketchup bottle.
And I don't have truly curly hair, but I have used this once. I don't have anything else in my hair, but I do feel like it gave me a little bit more body than I normally have. It smells wonderful. And my hair is super soft. And Dustin actually used it this morning. Now Dustin needs to get his hair trimmed. He will not listen to me, but Dustin does have naturally curly hair. And even though he is a frizz ball right now, I should have gotten earlier pictures. I really should have. But Dustin's hair spirals, and he's done. You brushed this out, haven't you? After I asked him not to. I didn't brush it out. I can tell you brushed it out.
It's because we went running around and I had it up. And blowing in the wind.
But Dustin's hair looked beautiful this morning. It was perfect spiral curls.
I don't like the spiral.
And the next time he uses it, I'm gonna put some leave-in cream in his hair, and we're gonna get some immediate pictures so I can.
It was very cool. I washed with it this morning. It was very easy to use and very nice. And again, the
it's very gentle too. It's not It's going to lather up for you very nicely, but it's not like a crazy over lathering shampoo, which anyone that has curly hair knows you want hydration and moisture in your hair to help retain those curls. I really love it. Only time will tell with anything like this. I have to use over a period of time just to see how good or how bad it works, but I'm excited. I really liked it. I'm the type of person, I do wash my hair only a couple times a week. So products I can usually really tell how products are going to work in my hair because of my hair routine, and I don't style my hair that much either. Kind of what you see is what you get. So, but I think Dustin liked it, and I will say for him to use something and immediately come back and say, ooh, I really did like this, that I was kind of surprised this morning when you said you did like it, but yeah.
Cool.
So thank you so much, Influenster, once again for sending us some treats to try. And I wanted to do an update on a previous box that we got, and it was for the Love, Beauty, and Planet vitamins. These are great. They did not break my skin out. They taste so good. And I just wanted to give a little update because stuff like this you really do have to use for a while before you're really going to be able to tell truly if you like it or not. It gets 2 big thumbs up to me. I love it, and I am going to be repurchasing them. I have tried several other hair and skincare vitamins before. I didn't like them as much as I liked these. Nice. So I can't say I do have something to compare to. But yeah, there's that.
All right. Well, we just wanted, it was a quick little home vlog today. We just wanted to say what's up and definitely show you guys how the water of life turned out. We might have to take another swig of that here in a few minutes. But until then, we'll definitely see you next time. Always like and subscribe. And
thank you guys.
Thank you guys for watching.
Bye.
Lady.